This is TomoNews for Thursday, March 1st. Meet Joseph Pwog, Kim Jong Un's 90s alter ego. North Korean megabelly Kim Jong Un and his dictator daddio Kim Jong Il reportedly traveled on Brazilian passports during the 1990s. Fats traversed the globe as one Joseph Pwog, while Il meandered the world as Lee Choi. According to Reuters, the Brazilian passports were authentic, but the IDs, not so much. Apparently, Joseph and Lee traveled all over in the 1990s from Hong Kong to Brazil. Word is they both took some time for R&R in Tokyo, too. Trouble with that is the land of the rising sun is an age-old enemy of the DPRK. It's unknown how the Kims obtained the documents, but Brazil's foreign ministry is on the case. Wonder if they ever swung by Manhattan, to catch all that awesome real estate. U.S. cities experiencing influx of new residents. Bedbugs. Everything is on the up and up in the U.S. You can't deny that. The numbers coming out of the bedbug sector are especially strong and should continue to climb. Baltimore has ranked number 1 on Orkin's annual Top 50 Bedbug Cities list for a second straight year. Baltimore was followed by Washington, Chicago, Los Angeles, and Columbus. Bedbug numbers were reduced after World War II, but have since made a comeback due to increased traveling, regulatory restrictions on insecticides such as DDT, and tolerance to organic pesticides. One research firm found that the bedbug control industry was worth around $611.2 million in 2016, with some analysts estimating industry revenue could hit $1 billion in 5 years. According to one report, hotels spend on average $6,383 per bedbug incident, which includes the replacement cost for soft goods, treatment, and lost business. New Yorkers coughing it up for Chinese remedy. As the flu season slams the U.S., good old Americans are looking for relief anywhere they can find it. In the Big Apple, it looks like people have finally discovered Nimzhong's Pi Pa Gao, a Chinese herbal remedy made in Hong Kong. It helps soothe the sore throats, relieve coughs, and reduce phlegm with its special sauce, lettuce, cheese. In Asia, a bottle probably costs $5 to $6, but according to the Wall Street Journal, a bottle can run as high as $70 through online third-party retailers. But not to fear, Amazon and Walmart have cheaper prices. But if you want it China cheap, head down to some of those old-school Chinatown pharmacies. King World Medicines Group owns the cough syrup and saw its stock price shoot up 27% because of the WSJ article.
Megacity to get 5 palaces. Saudi's Neom megacity project awarded its first construction contracts in February. Neom is located near the Saudi Arabia's Red Sea coast, close to where the country borders Jordan and Egypt. Saudi Arabia asked companies to develop 5 palaces in the massive business zone. Neom is part of Saudi's aim to move its economy away from oil and will reportedly be powered by renewable energy. The area Neom is to be built upon is 33 times larger than New York City. The city will also reportedly have its own judicial system, separate from the rest of Saudi Arabia.